Ekaboy everyone. Welcome to Learn Yoruba with me on Wednesdays. Ekua Joyru. Happy Wednesday and welcome back. Today we will be going over another new episode, episode 10, and we will learn about parts of the body in Yoruba. Let's get started. The head is Ori, Ori. The eyes, Oju, Oju. The nose is Imu. Your neck is Oru, Oru. And our mouth is Enu. Our shoulder is Ejika. Our stomach, Iku, Iku. Our arms, Akpa, Akpa. Legs are Ese, Ese. And our hand is Owo, Owo. So make sure you're always staying on top of practicing saying your shoulders, arms, legs, etc. We will most likely do a part 2 because we've missed some other parts of the body such as fingers, toes, etc. As always, have a wonderful Wednesday. Odabo, and I'll see you guys next week. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and like the video. Thank you.